What up Mzansi and everywhere where this video bafethu kwakufinyelela khona emhlabeni wonke. So sekulesikhathi we're reviewing people at Umhlanga Sense. So they're going to share their experience about games that they play around with other staff members who are hosting ama games la Umhlanga Sense.
Okay. Let me know. How was your game?
The game was really fun. We lost sadly, but it was to like a good team. And I rated 9 out of 10.
Okay, cool. And what's your name?
Anika.
Anika. And give me your experience about the game.
Well, I haven't played yet, but it looks fun.
Okay, cool. Can you rate it? You haven't played?
No, I'm going to.
Okay, cool. Did you find it difficult or easy to play the game? Easy. Have you won one game or two?
No.
Have you won?
We won nothing.
Then, if I can say give the name for the game, what can you call this game?
A name.
Yeah.
Bouncing soccer.
Okay, cool.
Sumo soccer.
Bouncing soccer with Put Sugar and Speedway.
So uzwele ke maybe uzwele nawe ngowakho kaMadina, yeah. So that was Put Sugar and Speedway, the host of the game, who are responsible for entertainment, you understand. So bafethu ke nawe uyayibonela ke ukuthi kwenzakalani around catering here in South Africa. We at Umhlanga Sense, located at Umhlanga Rocks. So bafethu, you know where to go, you know what to do for these holidays and the next holidays and the next holidays coming. Yeah. Danke sibonge very much. Danke sibonge. Danko.